Okay, so let us try to operate the simulator online using Google. Let's log into the simulator. Let's wait. Tayo ng konti. Okay. So we have the interface of the simulator. Let's try to click this one. Okay, so let's load. Let's press start. Okay. So let's activate the sound icon. Let's try to hear if there's any sound. Let's unpause. Oh, this comes with real sound. Very nice. So I am remotely accessing the simulator online. Real time. So let's make up the tank. Wow. Very nice. Very nice.